Good morning, Sister Principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I have a special presentation on the topic that is important for all of us, civic sense. But what exactly is civic sense? Well, it's all about how we behave and treat each other in our community. Civic sense is like good manners for society. It's about respecting others, taking care of our environment, and following rules that help everyone stay safe and happy. When we have good civic sense, we make our schools, cities, neighborhoods better places to live. To help us understand more about civic sense, our friends are going to perform a skit called the Civic Sense Chronicles. Through their actions and characters, welcome to the Civic Sense Chronicles. Meet our first character, Mr. Careless.
A busy man who sometimes forgets to be tidy. He's always in a rush and forgets to throw trash in the bin.
Mrs. Responsible, a kind lady who cares about keeping the city clean. She loves gardening and wants the city to be beautiful. Excuse me, littering is harmful to our environment.
Mr. Nonchalant, a driver who honks his horn a lot. He gets frustrated easily when he's late.
Meanwhile, Mr. Honsalot is in a hurry. Miss Environment, a calm woman who likes to keep the air clean. She likes to take long walks in nature and watch birds. Honking makes the city noisy. Let's keep it quiet.
Okay, madam, I never thought of it.
Honking excessively only adds to noise pollution. Let's keep the environment peaceful.
Here comes Miss J. Walker.
A student who sometimes forgets to use a crosswalk. She loves playing with her friends after school. La 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 la.
Remember to use the crosswalk, Miss J. Walker. It's safer.
Sorry, I will follow the rules.
Good job crossing safely. Mr. Cuder, a man who sometimes cuts in line. He doesn't like to wait and thinks he is in a hurry. Oh, I'm in a hurry. Please wait in line like everyone else.
Miss Graffiti, an artist who draws on walls. She likes to use bright colors and make people smile.
Mr. Citizen, a leader who wants everyone to be kind and helpful. He likes to organize events for kids to play together. Vandalizing public property is not right. It affects everyone's enjoyment of a community. So let's keep our wall clean and colorful in a different way.
Sorry, I will not do this again.
With each small act of kindness, we make our community better. So let's always be helpful and caring. Together, we can make a big difference.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, on behalf of Class 6, I would like to extend my gratitude to our principal, Sister Arjuna, for your guidance and support, and for providing us this opportunity to conduct our assembly. A big thanks to our teachers for encouraging and inspiring us, and lastly, to our fellow students for listening patiently. Thank you all, and have a wonderful day ahead.